In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on the PayPal app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to jump into PayPal so you can see what my font size is currently set to. So once it loads, alright, so as you can see, it is set to this. So to make it larger and easier to read, we need to go back and now we need to click into our settings app on our mobile phone. Once we're inside settings, we need to scroll down and click into display. Once we're inside display, again, scroll down and look for font size and style and click into it. And at the bottom of the page here of font size and style, you will notice a slider. And if I move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size, as you can see. And if I move this slider to left, it's going to decrease it. So I suggest keeping it near the right hand side and have a play around with that slider and choose what font size you want to keep on your phone to use for PayPal. Now, if I head back into PayPal, you'll see the font size has increased accordingly.